hope you all had a nice deep sleep. Um, I wanted to talk about Tratak. Tratak is something which makes you focus on means which will make you enhance your focus. Uh, Basically, there are different kind of Trataks. There is dot Tratak. You can do candle Tratak. You can do sun Tratak, moon Tratak. You can do mirror Tratak. Basically, what you're doing is this: you are just if it is a Tratak, you just place a dot on a wall or on a paper, uh, and fix the paper on your face level, on your eye level basically, and you just focus on that dot for a long time, without blinking your eyes. It could be candle. You can just focus on the candle light also, or you can focus on sun when it is the rising time, not when it is high time, but when it is rising, when the sun is rising, or when it is when the sun is setting, so that your eyes don't get affected. You can see that, look at that sun very comfortably. Or you can do it with moon. Just keep on focusing, looking at the moon without blinking your eyes. That is more important. So in this, what you do is, when you're focusing, you're not blinking your eyes, and do not practice all at a sudden, like in one day, that you do it for 20 minutes or something. Gradually you can increase your time. What I prefer, always suggest, is mirror Tratak. Mirror Tratak has got more benefit. You place a mirror in front of your face, at the face level or eye level, so that you can see your face clearly. Sit upright, means with your spine erect in front of it, and look into the third eye of your mirror image. When you do mirror Tratak, what happens is this: you have different kind of benefits. You are practicing looking into a person's uh, third eye directly. Whenever you are talking to somebody, you will be already unknowingly, automatically, you will be looking at their third eye and talk. So what happens is, when you do that, they feel like you are looking, focusing on their two eyes and talking, and they will feel a little bit uncomfortable. If you remember confusion, when the conscious mind is confused, the subconscious mind, you can talk to the subconscious mind. And many times it will happen that you will have a little bit of authority kind of thing, because a person who looks into somebody's eyes have the authority. That's why they are able to look into their into somebody's eyes, or if that person is in complete love. Okay, but over here the authority part is more higher. And one more thing is that when you do Tratak, you enhance your focus and concentration. The third thing is that, after, for some reason, for some physical reason, after some times, you can see that the mirror image of yours, even if you do it with a dot on the wall also, after sometimes you won't see the mirror image of yours on the mirror. It will be gone. And but do not wait for such things or something like that. It's a natural physical thing which is happening, nothing miraculous or something. Okay, after that, some after sometimes, what happens is, uh, the subconscious mind, if you have any questions in your mind, if you want to find out any answer for some kind of problem, you are coming with some kind of challenges in your life, but the subconscious mind knows everything. So once the mirror image is gone, that means your subconscious conscious mind is gone. That's why the eye is not able to, or eye is the retina. On the retina there is this your mirror image is reaching, but it is not reaching your brain, because the conscious mind is completely gone. Now the subconscious mind is in place, and just like when you forget something, or you do something else, and the subconscious mind will tell you this is what you have forgotten, somebody's name, or where you kept the keys or something like that. The same way, if you had some questions in your mind, don't force your mind to get the answer, but do this mirror pratak, and all of a sudden you will get answers, the correct answers possible, for you to solve this challenges you are facing. And you can have visuals also, as if you're watching on a LCD. You might see that the solution is visually appearing on the mirror. Actually, it's not appearing on the mirror. It is the subconscious mind or the brain is creating images on your retina. But since you're looking into the mirror, you will find that it is happening in the mirror. So the benefit of doing subconscious means a mirror tratak is, one is, as any tratak you will have concentration focus. The second one is, and you can once you focus on doing this thing without blinking your eyes, what will happen is you can make your mind blank anytime. You don't have to make the mind blank when you're looking. It's the byproduct. So don't focus on making your blank, or mind blank, or talking to the subconscious, or getting answers for your challenges. Just practice this one without blinking your eyes for say about like 15 to 20 minutes is really good. Don't strain your eyes. Whatever you can, if you can do it for 5 minutes, good. If you can do it for 10 minutes, good. So slowly you can enhance it. And the second thing is, apart from focus, the second thing is you are practicing looking at the third eye of a person. The third thing is, you can get, um, what do you say, answers for your question. Again, once again I'm telling you, don't do this for getting answers, but do it automatically, byproduct. As a byproduct, you will get the answers from your subconscious mind. Thank you so much. Thanks for attending my workshop. Looking forward to see you all in another workshop. You can do on a very nominal charge. You can come and attend my workshop, or repeat my workshop. And um, if you have your friends and family who would like to um, learn hypnosis, or who want to bring change in their life, you can tell them about my workshop. And when I announce my advanced workshop, I will also let you all know. I would surely love to see you all once again. It was fabulous. uh, Thanks for attending my workshop. And those people who have not attended my workshop, you can keep tracking in Google. Just put Magic Leo hypnosis workshop in Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, wherever. Uh, or you can connect with me through my phone number. It's 965 011 0360. I'll be placing it uh, in the description below. And yeah, anyone who has not even done my hypnosis workshop, or any hypnosis workshop, can also practice Tratak. Uh, it's basically you just practice for focusing, for making your mind, taking your mind in your control. That's what it is. You don't need to be a hypnotist or something like that. Kids can do this. People who think that they have attention problem, they have focus problem, can do it. If somebody wants to take control of their mind, so that they can be uh, calm and quiet in any situation and any uh, with any people. They can also do this Tratak. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for understanding what is mirror Tratak, what is Tratak, and see you soon. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Do not forget to like my channel. I'll be posting more and more videos regarding hypnosis, regarding life, what I understood, and keep following so that you can understand a lot of things. Uh, what I understood. I'm just sharing what I understood. Thank you so much.